Now that you've been through every lesson in this series, 5 principles should stick with you. First, define by problem, not product. Your ICP is built on the business pain you solve, not the features you offer, and that clarity drives every other decision downstream. Second, map the entire decision-making unit. Because a successful B2B sale means engaging multiple stakeholders, and your process has to reflect that complexity instead of pretending it away. Third, discovery is a diagnostic, not a script. A structured framework like SPIN is what actually uncovers the data you need to qualify your ICP. Fourth, build a decision tool, not a description. Your ICP statement and scorecard exist to help you qualify and disqualify, objectively, across your whole team. And finally, continuous improvement isn't optional. Your ICP is a living document, and the regular feedback loop you just built is what keeps it a real competitive advantage instead of a historical artifact. Someone recently asked, "My market is global. How do I segment geographically?" Geographic segmentation is just another layer on top of your market map. Prioritize based on your ability to actually serve a region. You might land on something like Series AC tech companies in the US and UK with 100 to 500 employees, prioritized by revenue potential and your team's real capacity to deliver. Another common one: how often should I update my ICP? At minimum, review it quarterly. But if you hit a major market shift, a product launch, or a real change in your customer base, review it immediately. The goal is keeping it a living document that reflects reality, not a calendar obligation. And for the solo founders asking, how do I do this without a large team? Honestly, these principles matter even more for you. You have fewer resources to waste on a bad fit customer. Work through the lessons with a single, sharp focus. And this workbook will save you real time and money by pointing your limited energy at exactly the right prospects. You've now completed the B2B Ideal Customer Profile workbook, and here's the honest tally of what that actually means. You produced a problem statement, a DMU map, a question bank, an ICP statement and scorecard, a market map, a key decision-maker profile, an outreach playbook, and a maintenance plan. You didn't just learn about B2B ICPs, you built one. You built a working system. These aren't worksheets sitting in a drawer. They're the tools that will actually guide your sales and marketing teams and shape your revenue growth going forward. If there's one output that should be in active use by next week, it's your ICP scorecard. Start running it against every new opportunity that enters your pipeline, starting now. The knowledge you worked through in this workbook was always available to you somewhere. This workbook is what made it yours. Now go sell to the right customers with the confidence and clarity you've actually earned.